Okay, I left the last video off. I said, well, I'm making them. I may as well show you everything on making these top bars. On the last video, I showed you that I cut these little notches in. I'll show you how I cut them out now. Getting to end, I mean, just the way it is. And then I'll have another video taking this piece off, and another one doing that, because there was just too much time in between. But I am going to be showing setup, so I guess this is the best way to do it. First of all, I do have to change this block, because when I push these through, I don't want this kicking back at me. So, and this is a garbage block because that little piece is gone, so pull that out, toss it, and this is why I keep all kinds of scrap laying around. But it might be wise for me to set my guide first to the right position, which I want an inch off, and I know from my blade to this little guard here is 3/16, so I want 1 inch, so I'm putting it at 3/16 plus the width of the blade, so it puts me just a little over 11/16. Now I'll just be able to get my little screw out of here. If it's not live, you're going to see, I can edit. I'd rather see mistakes and everything, so anyway. I'm not a fond believer of lying to people. So anyway, that part is set, and then I need to set the depth of my saw blade. And it's only approximate. It doesn't have to be perfect. They're only for bees, and ain't like we're living in their homes. And it'll all come out good in the end. I'm gonna do a real quick pass cut through here, get that done with. So, I got the notch cut out, that part. And that's how that part is done. I'll click back in it a little bit, and I'll get the main part done.